Hello kids. In this video we will see about the pronouns in detail. Pronouns. They are called replacement words. Pronouns are words that take the place of a noun, a person, place, thing, or idea to avoid repetition and make sentences flow better. The pronouns are I, we, you, they, he, she, it, me, him, her, us, them. Examples. Sarah has a dog. She loves to play with it. She replaces Sarah, and it replaces dog. Types of pronouns are personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, intensive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, personal pronoun. These refer to specific people or things and change form based on their role in the sentence, subject or object. Examples. Subject pronouns do the action. I like to read. She is a doctor. They are coming over. Here I, she, they are act as subject. Object pronouns receive the action. Please give the book to me. The teacher called him. We saw them at the park. Here me, him, them are act as object. Possessive pronoun. These show ownership and do not need a noun after them. Examples. That book is mine. Is this pen yours? The red car is hers. Here mine, yours, hers are the possessive pronouns. Reflexive pronoun. These refer back to the subject of the sentence, indicating that the subject is also the object of the verb. Examples. I taught myself to play guitar. She looked at herself in the mirror. Please help yourselves to some food. Here myself, herself, yourselves are the reflexive pronouns. In the next video we will see about the other pronoun types in detail.